Hey, it's KC. Welcome back to my channel. I have this little makeup look that I'm gonna do right here. I'm trying all new makeup products, and I go in depth on how to do the little eyeliner that I did. So let's go. All right, I'm trying out this Glossier lip balm. It's really cool. 3 for $30. It was cool. All right. And then I go in with my eyebrows, and I do my normal Benefit My Brow, but then I bought this Glossier Boy Brow tinted eyebrow gel, and it worked fine. I mean, I don't know, it was cool. Gotta try it some more, I guess. Next I got these elf Cosmetics concealers, and I'm gonna use it to carve out my eyebrows. This is also new that I ordered all this stuff from ULTA, and so of course online, so obviously I didn't get the right shade of anything, hence this super white concealer. But I made it work. I just blended it out and kept it pushing. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. That's not new, that's why I didn't show it, but everything's gonna be in the description box. I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I bought the UOMA Beauty from ULTA. And so once again, the shade is off, okay? It's set to shake it really well. It was really liquidy when I squirted it out of my hand. I put it on my face. Look at the color contrast, bro. Lord. Anyway, I just blended it out and just tried to do my best with it. Yeah, so good luck with that. Okay, anyway, I also got these new beauty sponges from LUXIE, and concealer from UOMA Beauty, and I'm going to use the beauty sponges to blend out that concealer from UOMA Beauty. It's the same brand as the foundation, and I actually like the color of the concealer. I think it was actually a really good color that matched with the foundation, so that was really cool. And then I just brightened it up with the elf camouflage concealer. I don't know. And the UOMA Beauty, the foundation, it was really nice, to be honest. If it had if I got the right color, I think I would have liked it more. But it really feels like nothing on the skin. I think it's like a hydrating, but not like shiny type of foundation. Like natural. It's a natural finish. I guess that's the name of it. But anyway, I'm blending out that elf and UOMA Beauty concealer, and I actually like the way it came out. That's a win for me. The only thing about the foundation was that it was kind of breaking up around my nose, but you know, what foundation doesn't for me? Next, I'm setting my under eyes with my MAC press powder, and I usually set it with Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm setting it with the MAC press powder, and it was actually pretty cool. Next I have the Bakerie setting powder. It's a loose powder, and it's in the color yellow. Usually all the other brands that make a yellow setting powder is always too dark for me. So when they had a yellow one, I was like, bet. So yeah, it was pretty cool. But these blenders from LUXIE Beauty, they need to redo this because these blenders sucked. Like, that sponge that I'm using sucked. The sponges I used to blend out my concealer under my eyes sucked. The beauty sponges I used to set my under eyes sucked. Don't use those. Those suck. But I really like the setting powders. They were working pretty fine. Girl, I gotta cover my hair because the setting powder likes to get in my hair. I don't know about anybody else, but setting powder gets in my hair when I like dust it away. Dust off the bake. Okay, now I'm taking the KKW Beauty their contour sticks. The color, I don't know. It was the wrong color, maybe. I think it was the wrong color, and for me, it really didn't blend out how I was hoping it would. It seemed really creamy when I was putting it on my skin, but Okay, so now I'm going to go and try to save this contour with the Benefit Hoola Caramel Bronzer, and I really like it. I look orange, don't get me wrong, but I still like the way I look. And I think it was also orange because obviously the UOMA Beauty foundation was not my shade. We all know that. I look like a Oompa Loompa. It's okay. Yeah, I'm just taking that bronzer and contouring my nose and keeping it pushing. So far I don't like those brushes. Not the brushes. I don't like those sponges. But everything else I like. And not the KKW. I don't like the KKW contour sticks, but I do like her blush. Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty, and the packaging is really, really cute. Okay, so now I'm going with the eyes. I'm taking the Suva Beauty Hydra liner, and I think it's called Panda, the color. It's just a white liquid liner, and what I did is I took the little jar that the white liner came in, and I just put it under the faucet and put some water, mixed it up, and now I'm going to start with a wing. And I'm just trying to wing it out as perfectly as I can. I don't really have really good tips for this, but just keep your eye open when you're doing it. Keep both eyes open when you are doing the liner so you can see how it looks. And every time you do something, take the small mirror down and look at yourself from far away so you can really see if you're really doing what you want it to do. Like, because if you keep doing it, like you see how I'm doing it in the little mirror, if I kept doing it in there, it would look horrible. But I kept like taking it down and looking in a bigger mirror after. And I'm just trying to just make a normal wing as good as possible. My only tip is to really just keep your eyes open during the whole application process of the liner when you're trying to do a wing liner. Keep both eyes open. That's all I got for you. And practice. And with the Suva Beauty liner, it was pretty fine. And when it dried kind of like stiff. So like my eye felt a little stiff. But other than that, it was fine. It wasn't like a super, super smooth texture or anything like that. But I mean, it did the job. And it wasn't expensive either. I got mine from Morphe. Then I went ahead and did my other eye the same way. And then I'm going to go back to the other eye and show you how I did the other part of this look. All right, so now I'm taking the liner again, and I'm going like a little bit below my eyebrow, and have my eyes still open because I don't want to like draw this line in my crease and then it messes all up. And I'm making like a double wing on this liner. So I wing out the end of it close to the tail of my brow, and then I take another line and I wing it out, connecting it. And that's all I do. And then I was like, oh, let me add some razzle dazzle. So I just added like 3 little dots. It probably would look cooler if I put some gems, but you know, whatever. I'm taking my House of Lashes, which I really love. Setting my face, putting on mascara, putting on highlighter. I'm using the Pat McGrath. I think it's the Mothership. I don't know which one it is, but I will put it in the description box. And I like to use this for like a highlight. It's so pretty. And then I take my brush and I still highlight more. Look how pretty that is. Okay. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the UOMA Beauty lipstick in Eartha. And I thought this color was so pretty, but I just really didn't want it for this look. I wanted a more brighter pink. And this was like really muted nude-y pink, which it was really pretty. It's just not what I was going for at the time, so I took it off. But other than that, that lipstick is bomb. So I'm going to make another video. Hopefully I'll use it again. And then I take my secret lip gloss that I can't let you know what it is yet, but you will know soon. This pandemic's killing me, but whatever. You'll know soon. Yeah, now I'm just trying to blend my lashes better because they look a little wonky. And then I'm pinching my natural lashes to my falsies so they don't have that gap. And that's it. I'm done. Thanks for watching.
Too stylish, hey, she too fly, made me lose balance, back it up, like we taking over, put it 99 in the 2000, the city that's mine, I need a new challenge,